Hey friends, here is an easy beginner friendly drape for puja this year that you can create using a dupatta. On one side, first fold the fabric as shown, pin the corners and make 9 pleats by folding the fabric back and forth. I press the folds along the way. Now I folded the pleats to half and pinned the pleats at 4 inches. Now on the other side corner, let's make folds. I used the fabric border to create the pleats and pin them to the corners. Here I am using an 8-inch planter as the base and placed the folded pleats on the planter as shown. Later added the 5-inch pot on the top that has a 10-inch wood stick attached with a wire. Turned the other pleats around the wood stick to form a V-shaped pallu and pinned it as shown. Here is the final reveal. Comment and let me know how you like this beginner friendly drape using a dupatta.